today guys, tada, 2 bullets, but I have one of the bullets. I will take one down later. Another video time. I don't know how many videos I made now. I just don't know, guys. I'm just working so hard in my mind to find a video. Then I find this idea. And can you please like and subscribe? Because I just want to live stream. Can you just please. Want to be another video? Want to be in another video? Ano? And today guys, that's all that I made. Bye guys, see you later. Gotta go like and subscribe guys. 3, 2, 1.